Okay, so I may have made a Naruto game in under 8 hours. NANI?! The weekly game jam week 235. I have to make a game in under a day on the theme Bend It. Look, I swear, at first it was just supposed to be a ninja throwing shurikens, but I kinda lost control. So obviously, after Naruto I had to draw a shuriken and an Akatsuki member, some walls and ground, and welcome to Konoha. Kind of. Okay, here's the thing. I never tried to add real-time 2D shadows in my games, and I thought this was a perfect opportunity. Okay, well, it went surprisingly well. Everything is working. Look, even post-processing. Wait, what? It's only working in the editor? Yep, it took me 30 minutes to find out that all I had to do was check this. Haters are gonna say I added way too much post-processing. Honestly, it's like cheese. There is never enough cheese. I then added an old LCD screen effect and a path for the ninja to walk on. I'm pretty sure there are lamps in Konoha, right? And now for the shurikens. Wait, what is this? I made it so that the shurikens have a high chance of bouncing back, but sometimes they just get stuck in the wall. I know it's not realistic, but it's fun. Also, yes, this is the exact moment where I chose to rotate the camera constantly. What you gonna do? Time to cut the AY for the Akatsuki member. No, Sasuke, come back to the village! I then added a score system and some UI, with a chakra bar and a life bar. Yes! Shurikens now go brrr. I turned the game into a little RPG, with levels, experience points and everything. As you can see, each time you kill an Akatsuki member, you get experience points, you can level up and increase your characteristics. Also, shrooms. They have shrooms in Konoha, right? How could I possibly make Naruto clone himself? Wait, that works. Oh, and they could throw fake shurikens too, that's brilliant. What is this place? Wait, what? I swear I did not add this. Okay. Okay, you can now create clones. And what the frick is this? I will be the next Hokage. When Naruto uses his clone jutsu, there is a neat smoke effect. Well, using Unity's particle system, maybe I can do something. Awesome. Let's work on the sounds now.
This world is mighty.
Okay, I got one. Of course, I needed a decent game over screen. Inspiration just came to me. Time for music. This is what the game looks like without post-processing effects, by the way. That's crazy. I also added a little text animation to add some juice to it. And to finish this masterpiece, I added a screen shake and a main menu. And there you go, the game was done. Oh, by the way, if this video gets 30 likes, I'll make an update of this game, because it was so much fun for me to do it. Let's make it happen, boys. this note, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button to get an update. And if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing. Until then, I'll see you next time.